Have you ever wondered if affiliate marketing can make you rich? Well, it's an intriguing question, isn't it? In the next 7 minutes, we'll delve into the world of affiliate marketing and see if it holds the potential to fill your pockets. Now, what is affiliate marketing? It's a process where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. You simply search for a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. So, how does this process work? It's quite straightforward. First, you sign up as an affiliate for a product or service. You'll then receive a unique link, known as an affiliate link. You'll use this link to promote the product or service on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Now the question on everyone's mind, can affiliate marketing make you rich? It can, but it's not as simple as it sounds. Success in affiliate marketing is akin to any business venture. It requires a set of skills and a good measure of dedication. First, you need to arm yourself with knowledge and skills in digital marketing, content creation, SEO, and online advertising. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It demands time, effort, and continuous learning. Second, the choice of your niche matters a lot. Some niches are highly competitive, while others are more profitable. It's crucial to choose a niche that you're passionate about and has a good market base. Third, creating high-quality, valuable content is key. Your content should effectively promote the products or services you're affiliating with and engage your target audience. Fourth, generating traffic to your website, blog, or promotional channels is vital. This often involves SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and other strategies to attract visitors. Fifth, choosing reputable and high-paying affiliate programs is crucial. Different programs offer different commission structures, so choose wisely. And of course, consistency is key. Affiliate marketing requires ongoing effort. You may not see significant returns immediately, and it can take time to build a substantial income stream. Remember, the affiliate marketing landscape is competitive. You'll likely be competing with other marketers. Standing out and offering unique value to your audience is key. Also, be aware of the legal and ethical considerations in affiliate marketing. Comply with disclosure requirements and regulations in your region. Finally, scaling your affiliate marketing business by expanding into different niches or promoting more products can increase your potential earnings. Affiliate marketing can indeed be a path to wealth, but it's not guaranteed. It's important to approach it with realistic expectations and a willingness to put in the work. Many affiliate marketers start part-time and gradually grow their income over time. So why not give it a shot? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your affiliate marketing journey today, and who knows, you might just strike gold.